In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board in Jira, updated for 2025. Whether you're tidying up a big digital workspace or just cleaning out old projects, removing unnecessary boards can streamline your team's workflow and minimize clutter. Let's walk through this process step by step so that by the end, you'll feel completely confident in executing this task. To begin, open your preferred browser and head over to Atlassian's website. Once you're there, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. Now, take a moment to enter your login credentials. Remember, this should be the account linked to the Jira instance where your board resides. If you've enabled any type of two-step verification, make sure to complete that as well. Once you've logged in, you should find yourself on the Jira homepage. This is your launching pad where all your current projects and boards can be accessed. Now, scroll through your projects and click on the relevant one that contains the board you wish to delete. After selecting your project, navigate to the specific board you want to remove. You'll likely see various boards displayed. Choose the one you've decided is no longer needed. With the board in view, you should focus on finding a three-dot icon, usually positioned somewhere in the board's upper corner or alongside its title. This icon is often referred to as the More Options or Action button. Click it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this drop-down menu, there will be several options for managing your board. Among these, you will find the Delete Board option. Click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure about this decision. It's crucial to remember that deleting a board is permanent. Once you've deleted a board, all the data and activities tied to it will be gone forever, so double-check your decision. If you're absolutely sure that you wish to proceed, confirm your choice by clicking Yes or Delete on the confirmation pop-up. And just like that, your selected board will be removed from Jira. Deleting boards not only helps in organizing your dashboard, but also ensures your workflow process is more focused and efficient. By regularly updating your boards and only keeping the most relevant ones, you can make navigating through Jira a breeze for everyone on your team. I hope this guide has helped clarify the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials if you need additional assistance with Jira or any other Atlassian products.